Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to use a Clickbank product and free traffic to generate recurring income. And this is the epitome of affiliate marketing. This is our goal. We always want to make recurring income. So let's go take a look at Clickbank and find our offer. And we are here on the page, the marketplace, and we're going to go here to top offers. Come down all the way down. As you can see, the first page is mostly healthcare. We're going to go to the page number 2, and we're going to come all the way down to that. And we have these two down here. We have live chat jobs, and this is the one we're going to be promoting. And I'm going to show you the page, and the one above it, you can use this one also. And you can see this gravity score of 294, and the one that we're going to be using is 172. But there's a little story about this one. This 294 gravity score just a few months ago was under 100, and it was just due to one person blowing this product up on Twitter, or not Twitter, on TikTok, that blew this up. So what she did was, and you can go check out her account. It's Taylor's Hustle or Taylor Hustles, one of the two on TikTok. And she was working for Chad as a assistant. And what she was doing, what her initial job was to find topics on TikTok that are trending in the healthcare niche, and then hire people from Fiverr to generate TikTok videos for her boss. Then she decided to go into it herself as an experiment, make these videos, and so she had a little bit of experience finding the topics, the trending topics. So she did have an advantage there. But all she did was actually, all she does is point up and down to these side hustles, and then she has a link. And then it took her about, I think, 13 videos before she blew up from, like, she had 10,000 followers. You know, it grew to 10,000 the first few weeks, and then she just had like a huge influx. Like one of the videos went viral, 53 million views or something like that, and she exploded. And I was watching this in real time, actually. I had my desktop on, and I never turned it off. So I just had my TikTok account on. I pulled her TikTok account up on the screen, and I watched it for a few days and just kept hitting refresh every day and watching her subscribers increase day after day, and then finally it just blew up in one day. So now she's making, with this single product, as you can see, it has recurring billing. She's making over $1,000. She had her first $1,000 day, and then she just took off after that, and now she just quit her job, and she's just doing this. She keeps making recurring income. But the one we're going to be doing is this one, because it has two options. Sorry about that rant right there. I don't know if you were interested in that or not. But so what we're going to do over here is come over here to the promote button. And you can see you have two different options. You can have the default, and this is the default page where it goes and the guy talks, but we're not going to be promoting that one. We're going to be promoting this one, the $27 version, and this is where they go to once they click on our link. And it's 50 cents per minute live chat job. This is an online job as a live chat assistant where you can get paid per minute. So it's 50 cents per minute. So if you work 15 minutes, you get paid $7.50. If you log in and work for 3 hours, you get paid $90. It's a pretty good gig for someone, and you can do it all over the world. It's flexible, it's online remote position. So it's a very good position. And then this is what we're going to use to advertise it. So we'll generate our hop link. We'll just put in your nickname. If you don't have a Clickbank account, just sign up for that and come to this page, of course, and just click generate hop link, and this is it right here. We're going to copy that, and we're going to come over to Leadsleap. And if you don't have a Leadsleap, I'll leave the link on account. I'll leave the link below. And I'm also going to actually give you this page right here. So if you have a Leadsleap account, all you have to do is take my code, program it into where you create the new page. And there's a video on that in one of my other videos. And you just repopulate this. And all you have to do is go in and change your link here. This is where you're going to put your link that we just copied from Clickbank. We're going to put it right here. And I've already done that. And you can see what it says. It says, attention, live chat assistant position available now, remote work, as little or as much as you want, $30 per hour. An example is if you log in for 3 hours, you get paid $90. And it asks if do you have a reliable internet connection, and start earning today. So that is the page that we're going to be promoting. So we will take that link, this link right here. You can actually go back to Leadsleap and copy that from your page manager if you want, or you can just copy it from here, Control-C. And this is the page that we're going to be promoting. And of course, this is already changed to your affiliate link right here. So when they click on this, they will be taken over to this page here. So that's what we're gonna do. So to promote this, we're gonna use our free traffic sources, and we are going to use US free ads. First of all, we come over here and we will post a free ad. What we wanna do is post a free ad. We'll click off of that. Click here to post ads and our ad title. So what we want to do is go back over to our Clickbank offer and close out of this because we've already generated that, and come over here to our affiliate page, and we'll click on email swipes, and we'll click on number 1. You can go through these and click on whichever one you want. Quick tip on this: if you ever see these email swipes, you don't want to use them exactly as they are because everyone else is using them exactly as they are, sending them through their autoresponder, and Google will pick up on that and send them to the spam folder. So what you want to do is just switch it up a little bit and then it'll get through. So we're going to take some of this, get paid. So we'll go for the headline. We'll copy that. Well, get paid in real time. We will copy that and paste it. Let's see, copy, Control-C, and then we'll come over to our ad and we will post, and we will just post it. And what we're gonna do is get paid in real time. We're gonna get rid of the in real time, get paid to live chat. Like I said, change it up just a little bit. Even the headline, it's a good practice to change it up. Change up everything. Okay, there we go. Now we'll go grab some of the top copy, come back over to our swipe, and then we're gonna take all of this and we're gonna switch it up. You can also do this in a text spinner if you want. Control-V. And instead of, if you would like to get paid, we're going to change this to a question. Would you like to get paid to chat with people in real time? And then we are going to question mark. Oops. I'm going to put then we need to talk. We're currently hiring more live chat assistants to talk to websites visitors. Okay. We're currently. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to switch this up to we currently need live chat assistants. You'll work for businesses answering live chat messages on their website, social media account. There are remote positions, meaning that you can do the work online from anywhere. Read full details from the job and apply below. We are going to just click the link. Okay, and then we are going to have a link right here, and I don't think that's my link. We need to come back over here and copy this link, Control Copy, and this is where it'll send them right over here, and Control-V, and that's it right there. The category we want to choose is business opportunities or work from home. Jobs, here we go, work from home under jobs, because it's like a job. Target city, no, we don't need any of this. Put in your name. put in a password, just any password, validation code. We have to type this validation code in, 0255397, and click submit. So what we're gonna do, and you can come back over here to do all your free advertising. You can go to freeadvertising247.com and you can do it all over again. You can do it all your free advertising sources. You can even use Pinterest for this and create, and you wanna do this every day. So you send traffic every day over there. Hercules you wanna use, this and these two, and it will generate quite a bit of traffic to your link. Now, if you don't have Leadsleap, like I showed you over here, I also created this in Systeme.io. So you can just go over to System, and I'm gonna leave this link in the description also. So you just plug this in as your landing page, your squeeze page, but just remember to change so this is a picture actually. So what you wanna change is click on the picture in Systeme.io and change the URL. So it'll go towards your affiliate link. So, and then this is the one you want to create or promote. This is the link that you want to promote. This one up here, once you generate this in Systeme.io. All right, I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up and a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.